me give you the information. Actually, it's already Imelda. It has already become Tropical Storm Imelda. And they're also watching Umberto. Umberto is causing dangerous shifts and so forth and so on. So let me give you the last public advisory on Tropical Storm Imelda. Just give me a second. Let me get it to come up. This on the internet, and it's pouring rain and so forth and so on. But let's see what we got on Imelda. All right. So Tropical Storm Imelda's intermediate advisory. All right. Imelda continues northward. All right. And this is the information that we're getting. Imelda's current location is 24.7 degrees north and 77.1 degrees west, or about 30 miles southeast of the northwestern Bahamas and 35 miles southeast of Cape Canaveral, Florida. Maximum sustained winds are 45 miles per hour, and the present movement is north or 10 degrees at 9 miles per hour. All right. So the a tropical storm warning is in effect for the central Bahamas, including Cat Island, the Exomas, Long Island, Rumkey, and San Salvador. Portions of the northwestern Bahamas, including Eleuthera, New Providence, the Abacos, Berry Islands, Andros Island, and Grand Bahama. A tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area within 36 hours. All right? At 8 p.m., the center of Tropical Storm Imelda was located near latitude 24.7 degrees north and longitude 77.1 degrees west. Imelda is moving toward the north near 9 miles per hour, and a faster northward motion is expected tonight, continuing through Monday. On Tuesday, Imelda is expected to turn sharply to the east-northeast. On the forecast track, the center of the storm is expected to move across the central and northwestern Bahamas tonight and Monday, and then turn east-northeastward, moving away from the southeastern U.S. by the middle part of this week. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour with higher gusts. Strengthening is expected during the next few days, and Imelda is forecast to become a hurricane by late Monday or Tuesday. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 90 miles from the center. The minimum central pressure estimated from Air Force and NOAA Hurricane Center aircraft observation is 998 MB. All right. So, tropical winds conditions are occurring in the central and southeast and northwestern Bahamas until continue through Monday morning. Tropical Storm Imelda is expected to produce an additional rainfall of 2 to 4 inches across eastern Cuba and 4 to 8 inches across the northwest Bahamas through Tuesday. This rainfall will likely produce flash and urban flooding. Mudslides are also possible in areas of high terrain across eastern Cuba. Storm total rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches with local maxima of 6 inches are expected through Tuesday across coastal South Carolina into the North Carolinas. All right. A storm surge will raise water levels by as much as 1 to 3 feet above ground level along the immediate coast of the areas onshore in the areas of onshore winds in the northwestern Bahamas. Near the coast, the surge will be accompanied by large waves. Minor coastal flooding is possible in areas of onshore winds over the southeastern U.S. coastline. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the surge occurs over the next several high tide cycles. Swells generated by Tropical Storm Imelda and Hurricane Umberto will affect portions of the Bahamas this weekend and spread to much of the east coast of the U.S. early this week. These swells are likely to cause life-threatening shifts and rip current conditions. Please consult products from your local weather office. The next advisory for Tropical Storm Imelda is coming out at 11 p.m. All right.